Hey guys, welcome to this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys all of my Fab Fit Fun fall 2020 Fab Fit Fun box. So if you guys are interested in what I got in my box, let's get into the video. So let's open it up, and so I did buy a couple extra things in here, so I'll start with that. So the first thing I got is this Akar Skin Restore Eye Serum. How do you open it? So I don't remember how much this was, it doesn't say on there, but that's a nice little bottle, and I love eye serums. Little dropper. Eye serums are they're just so much better at keeping your under eye like actually hydrated and smoothed out. I notice a huge difference when I'm wearing or when I'm using a good eye serum as opposed to like just a regular eye cream. I don't know, that makes a huge difference to me. The other thing that I got that was extra is this little coin necklace. Can you see it? There we go. So I just thought that was really cute, a little double coin necklace thing. I don't have anything like this, so just kind of little, looks like good little coins. So thought that was nice, and of course gold. I love gold jewelry, so those were my two little extras. So let's see, in this box we have the Levito Musk, Coconut, and Shea Butter Nurturing Hand Cream. So there's that right there. Let's try this. It smells pretty good. It smells a little baby powdery and coconut, but I like it. It feels nice. I like it. I'll definitely use that. Maybe I'll put this one in my purse. I don't have anything in my purse and I need one. Next, I have the No Problem Primer by Touch and Soul, which I've been wanting this for a while, so I'm glad it's in here, and I'm glad I didn't actually buy it. Because I don't know, I've been wanting to try it. I've heard good things, and it feels really nice. I'm really excited about that. Next, we have a little makeup sponge. This is called the Makeup Drop. It's a hybrid silicone pad and blending sponge. That's interesting. I have not seen this before. Weird. Okay, so it is just like a sponge, and then there's this like part right here is silicone. So that's really interesting. It feels like a really firm sponge too. So I'm gonna have to test that out and see if it does anything good, if it's better than any other sponge. We got another Spongel body wash infused buffer. It's just I'm never excited to get these. I don't know why. They're just like And I just got one in my BoxyCharm. Ooh, this one smells really good though. This is the Sugar Dahlia. Okay, I like that smell. Okay, maybe I'll use that one. Maybe it's just been the scents that I don't care for that much. Then I have Elevate 2 Essential Oils, Revitalizing Eucalyptus, and Energizing Sweet Orange. Ooh, I like those. So I'm not a huge essential oil person. A lot of them I find way too strong and they just give me a headache. So let's smell these. Here's the eucalyptus. Okay, it's pretty light. I like that. And the sweet orange. That smells good. That literally just smells like a fresh cut orange. And I don't know what the difference is between different brands of essential oils, but I know there's some that they just don't smell good. I don't know. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Let me know if you guys have like a really good brand of essential oils that you love, that you find the smells just smell good and don't like give you headaches. This brand might be really nice. It seems really good so far. So I'm gonna have to try those out. Then I have the Lamira the Vow perfume oil. So let's see, this might, I'm hoping it's not like something I don't like, because perfume is so hard, I feel like. It's a little pretty black and gold. Come on. Okay. I don't smell anything. Okay, I think it might just be too strong because I just put it on. It's smelling a little chemical-y to me. So let me wait a minute and I'll smell it in a minute. I think it might smell better after a few minutes. Then I got this cute little backpack. I'm really excited for this. How cute is this? It's just like, it's like more like a purse backpack. It looks like a nice purse. There's like stuff on it. Weird. There's like little, I don't know if you can see that. There's just like little white, I don't know what that is, but it's not just wiping off. I'm gonna have to try to get that off. That's weird, and it was just in a bag, so I don't know how that happens. But it's just this little cute little backpack. I like that it like opens like that. There's a little zipper pocket inside, and then these two zippers. So that's really nice for just when you need to bring a couple things, and if I don't want to bring like my regular purse, just something easier to carry. And it's really cute. Okay, and the last thing I got is this Mason Home Scent Collection Solstice diffuser. I've really been into diffusers lately, so this is, oh, it's from Pottery Barn. I don't think I've ever owned anything from Pottery Barn. I can't talk. Oops. Okay. I don't want to like break anything. Okay, that was a huge box for this. And it's just like a plastic. Okay, there's another thing in here. I was gonna say, I was like, that is like the cheapest looking diffuser, and like I just get mine wherever. I don't even get it at the like at a fancy store. So this is like what you put it in. So that makes more sense. It's a little beautiful jar. Where did the other thing go? But I think this retails for $59, which is pretty pricey for a diffuser, even if it has a cute little jar. What? Why does everything smell so chemical-y? The perfume though, I think that smells really good, especially for like fall and winter. It's like a little spicy, but like kind of fresh at the same time. I'd say between like fresh and spicy. If I don't know if I know how to explain scents, but I don't know about this diffuser. It's so hard to tell because it's so strong. So it is really pretty though. I do like it, and hopefully I will like the scent once it's in its little jar with the little reed diffuser things. And you know, but I've really been loving diffusers instead of candles. I still will use some candles for fall and winter, but like for all year round, I love diffusers. All right, so that was everything in my Fab Fit Fun box. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below, what did you get in your box? Did we get the same stuff? Did we get different stuff? Please subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you ring the little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.